Hey, this is Austin Carr with Greenlink, and today we're going to talk a little bit about what to expect when we arrive to your home and what to expect during a Greenlink project. A lot of customers ask us, will this be messy? Will my house be tore up when you guys are done? And the answer to that is no. We take a lot of effort and energy and pride to make sure that we're protecting your belongings, that we're taking good care of your home, treating it as if it was our own. And so we're going to talk a little bit about the steps of what you'll see when the guys arrive. And starting off, when the crew arrives to your home, the foreman will get out and he'll introduce himself, kind of review a little bit of the scope of work, what to expect, what that process will look like throughout the day as far as the construction side of things. But we'll also start to get the home ready for construction. And so we'll start off with our floor protection. We'll be laying down drop cloths and runners throughout the home. As the guys first enter the home, they'll have on their boot covers protecting their feet so we're not tracking in dirt and mud throughout the home. After our floors are set and prepped, then we'll move over to the walls, and we start off with kind of looking around to see personal belongings that might be on the walls. If you got some photos and some breakables kind of stacked up running throughout the walls, china cabinets, we're going to want to make sure that that stuff is out of our way. We don't want to be bumping into things and accidentally knocking it down. And so from there, we'll set up our zip walls and our plastic drop cloth. So a zip wall is basically a plastic containment barrier that we set up, and we just run that tunnel generally around the attic access, or in some cases we'll run it from the attic access to the doorway, depending on what we're going to be doing at a particular project. From there, we'll also put on some corner protectors as needed on the outside corners of walls and trim and doorways to make sure that we're not scuffing things up. Again, we try to take a lot of detail to ensure that we're being respectful of your home and your belongings. From there, we set up our negative air pressure in your home. We use this to maintain good indoor air quality in your home. If we're working in the attic, for example, we'll set this fan and we'll run an exhaust duct to the outside. That helps us to be sure that we're not pushing particles down into your home and contaminating the air quality. So it's just an extra step that we take that not a lot of companies do, but we feel it's important for our customers in order to maintain, again, the air quality and do a good job for you. In summary, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be protecting the floors, protecting the walls, protecting your personal belongings, and protecting your air quality through your home. We hope to be able to earn your business, and we want you to feel comfortable and confident that we're going to take a lot of pride and detail and care of your home throughout the process. And throughout that, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always call me directly. You can reach out to the foreman. You can reach out to our office. We take a lot of pride in our customer service as well. We want to make sure that you're happy, and we hope to earn your business. Thank you for watching, and we hope to talk to you soon.